Baritones, what's up, y'all? I hope y'all are well out there. If you're new around here, I'm going to tell you who I am right now. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this outstanding studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. This video has been highly requested over the last couple months, and I wanted to finally get to this video in the new year. So I'm excited to get to this video, but before I do that, I want to tell you that this video is more so an analysis, not a reaction. So I'm going to start and stop a lot while this video is going. So if you like starting and stopping and talking about things in the moment as they happen or right after they happen, then go on to another video. But if you mind starting and stopping and talking about things in a moment like that, then stick around because this is the channel and the video for you. So let's go. Here's a voice analysis of TASHA COBBS LEONARD, Jennifer Hudson, and Ricky Dillard and New G singing It Is Well.
It ain't always easy, but I know that God is always good.
Good. That good had an added vocal tract maneuvering in terms of how the lips and jaw kind of were shaped there. Instead of good, it was good. So the pucker went to more like a smile on good. Good. Good instead of good. Good. So it's almost ooh, almost like a diphthong in there.
And he has never failed me, so I know he'll work it for my good. It is well. It is well.
She gotta have a smile. It is well. And it was lighter in approach too. Though she was in thick full chest voice, it wasn't super strong. It was kind of lighter. And then on that last well, at the end of that phrase, the L was almost omitted, or pretty much omitted. It is well. But the well is assumed, and we hear it in our brains, but literally she said is well, or something like that, you know? So the L was pretty much omitted, but we still heard the word well. She's doing a lot of different things with her mouth and jaw to kind of make these sounds on this song kind of have more texture, articulatory wise. Yeah.
It is well with my soul. Oh, it is well. It is well. Oh, it is well.
She has much more of a ping to her voice nowadays too. It's a little more twangy and forward and pingy. It is well. Yeah. And she has a lot of glissandos and kind of breathy throws. Well, it is well. You see that? Well.
With my soul.
So, again, the L is gone. So, instead of soul, so. So the L of soul was not there. It was just soul, but it was so. So again, a lot of those articulatory, intentional, stylistic maneuvers she's doing here make the vocal line fit the vibe of the song here.
Rain will fall on my life, but I know it won't last always.
But I know it won't last always. She has a lot of those bends. But I know it won't last always. And she really does a lot of tapering on and off of her vocal line too. Always. She kind of tapers off, kind of diminuendos, and kind of closes off waves a little bit in her vocal line and in her articulatory choices.
Storms may seem to harm me, but I know it's bringing brighter days.
But I know it's bringing brighter days. So she really opens up that vocal tract. But I know it's bringing brighter days. So I feel like Jennifer does a lot more things in the laryngeal space, as opposed to Tasha kind of keeps things more brighter, but does a lot more things articulatory and jaw-wise. So they're both changing the vocal tract respectively, just in different ways. So Jennifer has more of like a wider approach, where Tasha has more of like a brighter approach, but kind of plays with the articulatory shapings of words.
It is well. It is well.
into that whoa that New G is singing right there. Whoa, it is. Yeah, so it was really close on the O, then open up. Oh, it is. Okay, so they're doing a lot of articulatory, intentional moves as well. So the New G had a so, straight note on so, and then when the suspension resolved, oh, add a vibrato.
It is well with me. It is well. It is well with me.
I like hearing Jennifer on top. It is well. And then the Tasha was on the bottom. I liked hearing her take the top right there. That was nice.
It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well.
You hear those moves right there? It is well. It is well with me. And with me had a little bit of a warm pucker to it. With me, okay? So those it is well, had a little breathiness, especially on the offset. It is well, had a little whisper right there. Well, close, it is well. And very percussive, very punchy, kind of staccato, if you will, okay?
It is well through my struggle. It is well through my struggle.
But through my struggles, okay? So the struggles have vibrato, but through my has straight with glossandos. Through my struggles, it is well with me.
It is well. Through sickness and suffering. It is well. When I was sick in my body, I couldn't get well. It is well. I am
Nicely, Tasha and Jennifer are kind of bringing their vocal lines up a little bit, kind of getting higher pitch-wise because the song is getting into the drive or kind of going forward a little bit in the song. So they're building up at this point in the bridge, whatever you want to call it. And right here, you hear Tasha and Jennifer both kind of getting higher in their ad-libs, respectively, because the song is kind of picking up and building. New G did well on that last well, had a vibrato. Then the next well, open up mouth with my soul. Okay, and so while they're doing that, Tasha and Jennifer, with my, all that stuff that they're doing up there, getting to the drive of this. Now we're at the drive. Now we're going home with it, okay? kind of had that body in there and kind of stayed right in there while she was singing that little lick right there. Now Tasha singing the words of the actual hymn where this song is derived from. Whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. Whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. That's the whole chorus of the actual hymn that Tasha has derived this song from. So again, when you sing ad-libs, give the context of what the song is about. You can use scriptures, hymns, personal testimonies, church cliches or church sayings, whatever you want to say, whatever that can relate the topic or the plot of the song to kind of bring it on home and to give people context and to give people biblical references as to where the song is coming from, or a hymn reference as to where the song is coming from. So she's saying, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. That is the chorus, line for line, of the actual hymn where the song is from. The beginning is, when peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. Then the chorus is, it is well with my soul, with my soul. It is well with my soul. Whatever Jennifer did right there. Woo! Sing, Jennifer. But you hear what she was saying right there. You can talk about me just as much as you please. The more you talk, I'm going to be on my knees. She kind of said that. Another church cliche or a church saying, as some people call it. Basically saying, y'all can say what y'all want to say about me and say what y'all want to say about whatever. I'm still going to trust God. I'm still going to depend on God. I'm still going to be on my knees, trusting and praying and believing and talking and communing with God through whatever lot I got. Because whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, whatever circumstance may rise, thou hast taught me to say, it is well. Job said, though he slay me, yet will I trust him. Whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say. This is an intentional thing when I trust God. I'm making a decision to trust God. If I'm being taught something, that means it's not innate. It's not something that I just kind of osmosis, learn just by whatever. I was taught this. I was prompted this. So this is something that I had to learn and be intentional about. Whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well. Even if it sucks, it is well. Even if it's great, it is well. Even if it stinks, it is well. Even if I didn't want it, it is well. Even if I did want it, it is well. Even if I thought I wanted it and didn't want it, it is well. Even if I didn't want it and then kind of figured out that I kind of needed it, it is well. Whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say. And that's what they're doing here. They're kind of bringing the plot and the point of the song home and what they're doing right here in the ad-libs. Whatever my lot. Now they're going off of each other, kind of singing and growling on top of each other. Then they did that. He always comes through in harmony. I love hearing multiple people kind of drive vamps when they have stuff going on and they kind of do harmonies and things like that on top of each other, especially when it happens in the moment. I love that kind of stuff. I love it. He always comes through every single time, yeah. Yeah, that ping every single time, yeah. He always comes through. Now she invited the audience. Do I have one witness? Now you can bring the audience in even more and prompt them to understand that it is well. Prompt them to say, hey, do y'all know about this? It is well, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say. Come on, if y'all know it, come on, come on. If y'all know it. Now she's dividing the audience in the ad libs and making even more of a corporate action here, more of a corporate worship right here. Well, see, hear that T on it that Nucci's doing? It is well. It is well. Like Jennifer has like a light, heady, yet super pingy, twangy way of approaching these high notes. It's almost like she takes a lighter approach, but still keeps the power by how she places it. It's very, but it's still very light at the same time, if that makes sense. I think that's a part of how she can achieve these high notes without much work and push, because again, she has to do this time and time again and sing these high notes in these big songs and all this stuff over and over and over again. So I would not be surprised if she found a method that works for her in terms of how to approach these high notes without the push and the unneeded weight, so that she can last longer and do it more and more and more and do it, you know, day after day, show after show in her career and things like that, you know?
It is well.
See how Nucci kind of went there? So close, vowel, oh, close vowel, oh, open vowel, oh, but it was still soul. It was soul, breath, oh, breath, oh, okay? But we still heard the word soul, but they kind of manipulated it to make it fit the style of the song. If you enjoyed this analysis clip, subscribe down below. Then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, y'all. See y'all soon.